Starting your own transportation company can be an exciting journey with great potential for success. Imagine being your own boss and helping people and goods get where they need to be. Let's break down how you can make this dream a reality. First things first, you need a solid plan. Like any business, understanding what you want to achieve and how you're going to do it is crucial. Think about the type of transportation you're interested in. Are you looking at trucking, taxi services, or maybe something more niche like limousine services? Each has its own set of rules and challenges, so choose what excites you. Next, you'll need to register your business. This isn't just about picking a catchy name. It's about making sure everything is official and above board. Doing this early can save you headaches down the line. And remember, legalregistration.com can make this process easier for you. Once your business is registered, it's time to think about vehicles. Whether you're buying or leasing, this is a big step. Your choice here will affect your finances, so consider what makes the most sense for your situation. A new fleet sounds nice, but sometimes starting with a few reliable used vehicles is a smart move. Insurance is another important step. It's not just a formality. It's protection for you, your employees, and your customers. Make sure to get the right coverage for your operation. This means understanding what's required by law and what additional protection might be wise to have. Then there's the licensing and permits. Depending on your location and the services you offer, the requirements can vary. It might seem overwhelming, but tackling it one step at a time makes it manageable. And if you need help, legalregistration.com is here for you. Hiring the right people is next on the list. Your drivers and support staff are the face of your company. Look for folks who are not just skilled, but also share your vision for excellent service. Good people make a world of difference. Marketing your new business is key to attracting customers. In today's world, having an online presence is essential. Create a website, get active on social media, and don't underestimate the power of word of mouth. Happy customers are your best advertisement. Lastly, always be ready to adapt. The transportation industry is always moving, literally and figuratively. Stay aware of industry trends and be open to new opportunities. Flexibility can give you an edge over the competition. If you've found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on starting and running your own business. With the right steps and a bit of determination, your transportation company can truly take off. And remember, for all your business needs, visit legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111.